Your doll didn't come yesterday, but it came today, right? So you get to see if you got a boy or girl and what it looks like. All right? You ready? Go on.
That's a pretty towel.
It's a blanket.
And a blanket. Thought it was a towel.
Nope. You used to use that blanket when you were little.
I did?
Yeah.
I thought it came with it.
No.
Pretty towel.
You just pull it. It's already open. I just stuck it back down. Yeah. And maybe turn it around.
Is this a real dress?
Yes.
I still don't really know what it's gonna be because there might be a boy outfit in there.
Well, this is a christening gown, so you can't tell anything by a christening gown because they put these kind of gowns on girls and boys. What do you want her name to be? You have to name her.
Chris.
Chrissy? That's a nice name. Did you say Chrissy?
I said Chrissa.
Chrissa. That's an even prettier name. Now these are all your old clothes from when you were a little girl. Here, lay her on top of the blanket. You have to be really gentle with her, okay? Ja. Good job. Lay her down really gently, okay? Don't let her head bobble. Her head moves. Don't let her head bobble around.
Look at her cute little shoes. Let's take her shoes off too.
Yeah, you
That's
take all her
pretty
clothes
dress.
off.
It's kind of like a cupcake.
It's really nice. Oh, she's so pretty.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Open your eyes and see.
I thought it was gonna be a boy.
That's her birth certificate. You have to write what her date of birth is and all that stuff. And her name, you have to write her name on here.
Her birthday is right after my birthday. That was yesterday was my birthday. Why? Yes. I like my birthday being quick.
You got a whole wardrobe for her.
I would have it all.
Get that balloon away from me. Go. Control yourself. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. This one's pink.
You got nice stuff to put on her when you take her somewhere, right?
Yeah. Really?
But you gotta be really careful with her, okay?
Okay.
What's it say?
It says mommy and
No, it doesn't. It says mommy's.
mommy's little
Let me see. That's Lil. It's supposed to be little. Lil. Mommy's
Little.
Lil.
cupcake.
Right. You can read cursive.
I didn't know
Hmm.
I'm going to. I'm gonna
You have to move her legs if you want her to sit down. You have to position her legs so that she can sit, okay? Just be careful. You don't pull it, you twist it. Twist it up towards her face. There you go. Not that far. You don't want her to look crazy. Okay. Just so that she can sit, all right? And then turn her head this way so she doesn't look like she's looking at the wall. Oh, look how real she looks. That's a reborn. That's what that's called, a reborn doll. Look at her. What's her name? Krissa?
with that.
Hi, Krissa.
I'll actually take the brush down so I can actually reach it on.
Okay. I don't know.
Why do you always leave
I don't know.
Oh, I see some pants matches right
Mm-hmm.
now. Keep that. Yeah. And this hockey. This is supposed to go under. And okay. This box is all empty.
Yep.
I'll put this right here. Okay. And now I'll put on her newborn dress. It actually looks like she's actually under the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a magnet.
Here, come close.
This is just a magnet.
Right. Come here. I'm going to put you on YouTube with it so you can show other people what you got off of YouTube. A lot of people buy Reborns and they want to know what they look like up close before they buy them.
The cute little panda bears and flowers and things like that are on there. And that's the little magnet.
You turn it around. Very pretty. I cradle, is that what it says? I cradle. Very pretty magnet. And look at this little bottle. Oh, and the bottle says it too. Can't really focus on it. Your socks are on the floor. Your socks. Jahalia. Your
I wanted
socks.
to see if I could put on this necklace on. Will it fit? Do you think it might fit?
Maybe, perhaps. Why don't you bring her over here?
Okay. Hey guys, wanna see something?
Be careful with her hair, okay? Shall I bring her over here back? Oh.
This simple necklace I'm gonna try to do.
She looks so real. So she is real, mommy. It's your baby.
Okay. She's gonna be wearing this floral dress and these cute little shoes. And she's gonna be having this pacifier and helmet. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. This is how she looks with the pacifier and all.
Hi, Krista. She's very pretty. She's got hand-rooted hair. It's not pasted on wig. It's hand-rooted, which means that they actually took
Real hair?
Well, I don't know what kind of hair this is. I thought it was going to be mohair, but this is either real hair or maybe doll hair. I don't know if it's wig hair, but the way they put it in her scalp, see, they hand-rooted it into her scalp. See? So you got to be really careful combing it and brushing it so it doesn't come out.
And here's a little flower on the side. Just a little headband that you could take off and on. And she's all vinyl and
No, she's silicone vinyl. So she's a little softer than regular vinyl.
silicone vinyl.
But she's full body.
She's full body too.
So that means that she can what?
She could hold on.
You can get her wet.
Oh yeah. That means I could get her all in the top. And
Now, her body isn't full, like, is connected. See where the arms are connected?
yeah.
Yeah, be careful. Are you pulling on this arm? Move your hand down. Okay, yeah. Don't pull on the arm. Because see how when you pull it a little bit? Yeah. You want to treat it like a real baby. You don't want to pull its joints out of socket. But the full silicone, 100% silicone, no vinyl, is all one piece. And it doesn't have little creases like that where it joins together. Now that one there, you could put her in the tub, but the problem's going to be that she's going to fill up with water. So you might want to give her a baby bath like how we bathe the babies. You know how we have that baby tub? You don't want to go dumping her in a full tub of water because she's going to get waterlogged and then it's going to mildew and then she's going to smell. Okay? Yeah. Maybe one day we'll get a full silicone one, but those things are really expensive. They cost a couple $1,000s or at least 500.
Okay.
All right?
Uh-huh. Oh, and
Be careful with their pacifier. And whatever you do, don't let that boy get to it. He'll probably tear her up. You got to be careful with what you comb her hair with too, okay? Because you don't want to pull her hair out. Well, it's because it's hand rooted and it's implanted into her head. You don't want to pull it out because then you have to have her hair rooted all over again. And I've never done that before, although I wouldn't mind trying. But I saw someone doing it on YouTube and it took them an awfully long time. So this is the life of Krissa.
And it looks a little bit big. And she has on a leotard. Or just, this is
Part
a
of the
dress.
dress. Uh-oh. We don't want to break that. You got her? Don't drop Krissa.
I was putting the pacifier on it.
It's stuck to the necklace. The necklace is stuck to the pacifier. It's because the pacifier has a magnet. Let me see. Oh, Krissa. Oh, you're rocking your baby. Hi, Krissa. You gonna be a good mommy to her? Good job. She looks so real. We're gonna go somewhere and someone's gonna say, man, whose baby is that? That's my baby.
I don't think she's really. I don't think.
You don't think she's
that
sleepy?
big. I think she wants to sleep.
Where's your stroller? Why don't you put her in the buggy? Can you fit through there? You might have to go around the other way. Go the other way. Go through the other door. Hi, Krista. Can you fit, or do you need to go the other way? Here comes Krista. Here comes Krista. We need to invest in a new buggy. Something's just not so quite right about that buggy. Yay! Hello!
Now we'll put her in her newborn outfit. Oh, and I think it comes with this. Does it come?
No, I actually bought that for you when you were little, but I ended up christening you in something else.
And this bottle right here, we haven't gotten to that yet. This bottle right here, she comes with this bottle, and you can easily take the lid off, put the lid back on. And I think we could actually take this off. Yeah, we could take that off too and fill it up with some water on the corner.
You have to back up just a little bit because you're too close to the camera.
And I did it without hitting my head on the ground.
Good job.
Okay. So now I'm putting going her outfit.
Hold on, wait. Put her back in the stroller real quick. I just want to see. I want to take a picture of you with her with the stroller. Okay.
Yeah, can you move your socks? Nail polish on, nail polish on.
Okay, back up a little bit. All right, you could take her out now. Look at your baby.
Dress. And your proper outfit. There was no fancy outfit. Yeah, there was no fancy outfit. Okay. And now, what is that? A shoe is that? And she
Look at
does
her
come
little
with that
feet.
dress. She does come with that dress.
Yes, she does come with the dress. She came with the dress. What else does she come with?
But she did not come with these dresses or that dress.
No.
But this one, this towel right there does not come with it either.
Nope. The only thing that came with her was what?
Was the bottle, the pacifier, and the necklace did not come with it.
Yeah, the necklace
And
didn't
the
come
dress
with
and
her.
the shoes.
And the haircut.
And the hair. Okay.
And the cuteness. She's so pretty. You got a pretty baby.
Take your necklace on. Okay. I'm wondering what's happening. Come on.
Move her legs and her arms.
Oh, she doesn't really want to sit up here. Oh, and I see she has this staple on too, and that comes with her.
Mm-hmm. It sure does.
Okay, so now they'll get this. a little diaper.
Mm-hmm.
Let's stick this up.
Is there a button on the back of the dress?
No, there's only a button here.
Oh, okay. So you gotta raise her arms up by her head. There you go. Make it easier for you to pull it off. And you might want to take her hair bow off first. But be careful, because you don't want to pull her hair out with it, okay?
And the headband band comes with us as well. And it matches this shoe really well. But the stroller does not come with us. But this headband and the stroller can match because of the flower and the and yeah. There's the come with like that. Yeah. And come on. Come on. Take your business. Come on.
I gotta go feed my babies, okay? Ah! Do you think that's how I pick my babies up?
Can you help me take this apple with that?
Sure. Be careful. You're putting a christening gown on Krissa.
Does it work with it?
All right. Well, I have to go upstairs and take care of your brothers, okay?
Yeah.
All right.